Trolls Hair Huggers Season 2. And mommy bought this just now, and it's from Hasbro and DreamWorks. Okay, so I think I want to get this purple thing or this. Excited. Oh, I think I'm gonna get the pink one, I guess. Ooh. Okay. Okay. Open it. Let's see who we got. Oh, first we have. Oh, yes! Oh my goodness. I've been wanting her. Oh my goodness, she's so cute. I got the purple. I love purple. I mean violet. Oh my goodness. She is so cute. Okay. Oh my god, she's so fluffy, you guys. Look. Oh. She is literally so fluffy. Oh, she's a bracelet. I get it. Okay, let's see the instructions. Oh, it's a hair hugger. So I really wanted this one. And I said to myself, I think I want this one. But nah, it's too pinkish and unicornish. Or this one. But I really want the purple because I love violet. And I don't want to get pink because I have too much pink stuff. It's so fluffy, you guys. It's like an animal.
Okay, let's try it in that one.
Really?
One.
Oh, it's a hair tie?
Oh, it's a hair tie.
I don't know. Ooh. It's a toy hair tie. That's so cool. Eee! Where did you buy this, you guys, Mom?
Toys R Us.
Ooh,
So you
guys.
collect this.
Yeah. Guys, if you want a cute little snuggly hair tie, just go to Toys R Us. There's a big ant right over there. See? Season 2 hair huggers, 6 to collect. Ages 4+, but I'm turning 9. It's so fluffy. You guys, I'm so happy. Anyways, don't forget to subscribe, ring the bell button, like this video, and comment if you want to get this. Also comment what kind of troll you want. Okay? Bye guys. Peace. Subscribe. Peace. And a shout.